Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I lifted my eyelashes up to the heavens. If you want to see how I achieved this lash look, then please keep on watching. So as you can see, I'm still wearing the same clothes from last week's video and I still look the same, and that is because this is going to be a continuation of that. So during last week's video, I laminated my brows using an at-home lash lift kit, and today I will be using that same kit to actually lift my lashes. This is the Lash Lift Eyelash Firming Kit from Icon Sign. Again, I got this from Shopee, and I'm going to link the shop in the description box below. I got this for only 315 pesos, and this is a reusable kit that is good for 18 months. So this is what the kit looks like inside. It comes with a lash glue that sucks, and it also has these solutions here. So this is number 1 perm, number 2 fixation, number 3 nutrition, and number 4 the cleanser. So it also comes with these 2 tiny boxes inside, which includes 3 clean tools and 5 pairs of lift pads. So the clean tool basically looks like this. It is evil, I'm telling you. It is useful, however, it's very sharp. This is called the Y brush, and on this side it's flat, so it's really good for applying product and removing product as well. And then on this side it has tiny teeth for a comb, and I really hate it. I like this side but not this side. Oh. Next, the product also comes with, as I've mentioned, lift pads. So this kit has 5 pairs of lift pads in different sizes: small, medium, medium 1, medium 2, and large. So once you open that, there you have the lift pads here. I already took out the ones that I will be using. So for my lashes, I will be using the lift pads in size medium. So this is the second smallest size, and I think that's just enough because I don't really want my lashes to curl up too much. So instead, I'm just going to use this to lift up my lashes. So let's go ahead and start. Alright, so during my last video, I did mention that I absolutely hate the false lash glue that came with the kit. So again, I will be using my favorite lash glue, which is the Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe Vera from Kiss. Alright, so for the first step, I am taking solution number 4, the cleanser, and I'm going to take a Q-tip, dip that into the cleanser, and just clean around the eyelids and the eyelashes to make sure that there's no dirt, oil, or makeup left in that area. See, I'm not wearing any eye makeup right now, but apparently I still have some left from I don't know when. I really like this cleanser. It really does its job, unlike the eyelash glue. Alright, so I'm going to scooch you guys in a bit closer. Now that my lashes and my lids are dry, I'm going to take my favorite eyelash glue, and then I'm going to wait for it to become tacky before I stick on the lift pads. Okay, now that that's really tacky, I'm going to take my lift pad, again in the size medium, and I'm going to place that as close to my lash line as possible. Alright, so the next step is applying glue on the lift pad, and then wait for that to become tacky, and then comb your eyelashes up. It's actually quite challenging to do this, in fairness. That's it. Again, I'm going to wait for this to dry, and then we're going to go ahead and add our perm solution to it. Pray for me that I don't go blind after this. Alright, so the glue is finally dry, so I'm going to go ahead and add my perm solution very carefully. Taking my saran wrap, and I'm going to cover that up for 10 minutes. So I'm just going to wait for this to set for 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna go back in for the next step. Alright, it's been 10 minutes. Remove the perm lotion with the flat side of the Y brush, and then apply the fixation solution, solution number 2, right after. Okay, so I just cover that up with the saran wrap once again, and then we're going to wait another 10 minutes for the next. Alright, so it has been a full 10 minutes, so I'm going to take this off now. Next, we are going to use the solution number 4, or the cleanser. I'm just going to use a Q-tip to clean my lashes and remove the lift pad as well. I will now take the solution number 3, the nutrition, and I'm going to just brush that all over my lashes, and I'm going to use a spoolie for that. Alright, so this is what the lashes look like. As you can see, they are really lifted. So one of the reasons why I wanted to do this was because my eyelashes are quite long. They're not thick, but they are quite long. Plus, these things, eyelash curlers, they never work on me. I've tried several brands, high-end and drugstore, and they never work on me. So this is my next option. Now, what do I like better? Lash lift or the eyelash extensions? I prefer the look of eyelash extensions, to be quite honest with you. However, that looks very achievable for me since I do use falsies for my makeup looks. But in terms of comfort, I like this a lot better. Again, I did my brows on last week's video. If you want to watch that, if you want to see how I did these laminated brows, I'll have that video linked in the description box below. And that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you haven't. All of my social media handles will be listed down below, so go ahead and check that out if you want. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.